In this video, I'm gonna solve a few examples for the equations that have absolute value in them. These are basic to intermediate examples. Before starting, I just want to quickly review the meaning of absolute value. It is a straightforward concept in math. What it does is for the given number, if it is positive, it returns itself, and if it is negative, it returns the positive equivalent of that negative number. For example, if the input is -3 and it goes to absolute value, then the output is 3, and if the input to absolute value is 3, what we get as the output is 3. And for 0, absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. That's all you need to know about the absolute value. So let's start with the first example. In the first example, we have absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to 2. So if we follow this example that I showed here, we have two cases. So x minus 3 is either equal to 2 or x minus 3 is equal to -2. So the first one is x equal to 5, and if you solve the bottom one is x equal to 1. In order to make sure that these two answers are correct, we're just gonna try them in the equation. So 5 minus 3 absolute value is equal to 2, and if we try the second one, it is 1 minus 3, which is -2, and it is equal to 2. So this is done. Equation 1 is solved. So maybe I can use this color, or maybe this color to say that okay, this is done. So let's go to the second equation. Second equation is similar to the first equation. We need to do a little bit pre-processing for it. So absolute value x minus 1 is equal to 8. So we move 1 to the right hand side, and it becomes absolute value of x is equal to 9. So x is either -9, and it is +9. And if you try both, you will see that both answers are correct. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. I'm going to solve the third equation, which says, before that, let me just highlight that, okay, this is also gone. I'm moving to the third equation. -6 is equal to minus absolute value of x. So we multiply both sides, left and right, by -1, or you can divide both, left and right, by -1. If I do this, it will become -1 times -6 is equal to -1 times minus absolute value of x. And if I write this, the left hand side becomes +6, and right hand side -1 times this minus becomes positive, and it is equal to 6. So absolute value of x is equal to 6, and from this x is either equal to -6 or it is equal to 6, and you can try this here. So whatever you put here, it will return you whatever answer you put here, it will return you +6, and that's multiplied by minus, it will be -6. So this is also solved. And let's go to the last one, which is a little bit tricky compared to the other ones, but it is an easy example. So the equation says 2 times absolute value of x minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 1. So what we will do, we will move first minus 5 to the right hand side of the equation, so the equation becomes 2 times absolute value of x minus 1 equals to 6. And if you divide both sides left and right by 2, we will have, well, it will be x minus 1 equal to 3. There will be one of the two cases, either x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 or x minus 1 is equal to 3. So if you solve the first one, you will have x equal to minus 2, and the bottom one will be x equal to 4. Now we replace the answers in the main equation to make sure the answers are correct. If you take minus 2 and you replace in equation 4, you will have minus 2 times minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3. And if you multiply by 2 becomes, okay, absolute, we have to apply absolute value first, which becomes plus 3. 2 times 3 equals to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, which is this one, which is correct. And if you take the second one, which is 4 minus 1, it will be 4 minus 1, 3, absolute value of 3, it will be again 3, and then 2 times 36 minus 5, 1. So this answer is also correct. Yeah, these were 4 easy and straightforward examples for absolute values. I will have another video for the more advanced equations. Please take a look at the upcoming videos, and soon I will upload another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.